ধ্যান কলকি অবতার ধ্যান when the Vasana Kamana extra bad effect will be come on you, you surrender under your moon. If we do not surrender under your moon, Boiraggo and Ganagni, you surrender another justice, that is Vichar. You have Vivek and you Vichar with your Vivek. With your Vivek. When you think by the Vivek, all are Ishwars. All are Ishwars. Ishwar examine you as you go to school and to examine, you examine for pass. If you do right, you pass, is pass. Otherwise, you will fail, you are Norok. Just like Ishwar examine you. Ishwar take examine. He give you son, he give you daughter, he give you dhon, he give you house extra all, and he examine. As you examine your shop, you take a servant and examine you. You keep dhon, daulot extra on the shop and appoint a servant and examine the servant. And you give him rupees according to his work. Just like Ishwar examined and he will be give you rupees. If you do good work, you will be go Swargo. If you will do bad work, you will be go Narak. That is the examine of you. You take the examine or Vichar when you go to Dhyan. When you go to Ishwar's Dhyan, you surrender under the judgment or Vichar.